Hello everyone, greeting from Superworks. In today's video, I will explain the SuperTrack dashboard step by step so you can clearly understand what each section means and how it helps you to track productivity. So let's get started. So first, on the dashboard, you will see your productivity data. This shows how productive you are based on your daily work activity. Next is attendance status. Here, you can check whether you are marked present or absent. You can also see your day-wise data, which means your current day's productivity details. Now coming to the work diary tracking, this shows how many minutes the system has tracked your work. In simple words, it tells you how long you are actively working on your system. Then we have idle time. Idle time means the time when you are not using your keyboard or mouse. For example, if you leave your system without any activity, that time will be counted as the idle time. Next is lock time. This shows how long your system was locked. So if you lock your system during breaks or meetings, that time will be recorded as a lock time. Above this section, you will see your productivity percentage. This percentage is calculated based on the policy settings and weightage defined by your organization. Moving to the last 7 days productivity trend. Here you can see your productivity performance for the past 7 days in percentage form. This helps you understand whether your performance is improving or decreasing. Now let's look at last activity option. Here you can see the latest screenshot captured by the system. Along with that, you will also see total keyboard clicks, total mouse clicks, which application you were using and which website you have visited. This helps you to understand your recent work activity. Now moving forward to the most used websites. Here you can see which website you used the most during the day. Similarly, in most used applications, you can check which application you used the most today. Now let's move forward to the dashboard section. Here you can monitor all the employees' productivity. First is today's activity. This shows the overall activity percentage of all the employees for the current day. Next is last 7 days activity. Here you can see the combined activity of all the employees for the past 7 days. Then we have today work diary tracking. This shows the total tracked working time of all the employees for today. And if we come in the last 7 days work diary tracking, here you can see the tracking time of all the employees for the past week. Now let's understand the productivity trend. This is shown in a graphical format. Green means good productivity, orange means average performance, and red means low or critical productivity. So from here you will be able to check your productivity accordingly of your employees date wise. Next is recent work diary screenshots. Here you can see the latest screenshot of your employees' work. You can also click on view all to check detailed screenshots of any employee. Now let's look at some important insights. Let's start with most productive employee. This shows the employee with the highest productivity percentage today. So you can get the idea like which employee is more productive today. Moving forward to the least productive employee. So this shows the employee with the lowest productivity. And if I go in the highest idle today, so this tell you which employee was idle the most today. And if I go in the highest idles last 7 days, this shows which employee has been idle the most over the past week. And if I click on highest log today, this shows which employee logged their system the most today. And if I click on the highest log last 7 days, so this shows log time data for the past 7 days. Next we have most used websites. This shows which websites are most used across the organization today. Moving forward to the most used applications. So this shows the most used application by your employees. Moving forward to the unrated websites. So these are the websites that are not yet marked as productive or unproductive in the system policy, but employees are using them. So from here you will be able to get the unrated websites. Same with the unrated application. These are the applications that are not categorized yet but are being used by the employees. So this was a complete step-by-step explanation of the SuperTrack dashboard. I hope now you are clearly understand each section and how it helps in tracking productivity. In the next video, we will be discussing about the work diary policy. Till that, thank you so much everyone.